Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to see Spotify Wrapped on PC. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply search for Spotify like so. Then you want to open the application on your PC, and you should have the latest update in order to see the Wrapped menu. Now you'll see the Wrapped menu in this section right here, beside the podcast or the music right here. Or if you cannot actually find it, you can simply search for Wrapped like so, then type 2025. And here you can see all the Wrapped songs or the Wrapped podcasts, Quran, and so on. Now, if you cannot actually find it, you can simply search here for spotify.com/wrap, just like so, and it will also lead you to this page. You'll just have to scan the QR code and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.